Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on Redmi 13X. Okay, so let's begin. First we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner. And now click on the settings. Now we need to find the chats. Scroll down a little, find chat backup. And now, let's discuss a few things. Let's begin with the Google account first. Simply click on that. And you can see that currently, in my case, this Google account is selected. And on that account, which is selected, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore your chats in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. Pretty simple. Of course, you can also add another one by clicking right in here and then simply log into the account on which you want to create a backup. Below we have the monthly backups. The automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we have daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I set backup mode. In my case, I set it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to remember about making it manually. Pretty convenient and comfortable feature. You can pick between one of those modes. Also, I suggest you should enable to include the videos in your backup. And on the bottom, we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you click on turn on, in here you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But you need to be aware that if you lose that password, you won't be able to restore your chats. It is not necessary granting that, I'm just telling you that you can do it as an extra security feature. But yeah, if you create it, don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore the chats. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space, and now click on the backup. Now the process will start. Alright, and that's all. Our backup has been successfully made. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.